Another first in Australia, LiquidSpring into the first Ram 3500. We were over in the States last year with the LiquidSpring boys doing some testing and some driving on their first round that they took to SEMA. Now we've got it in Australia. This is the new LiquidSpring hybrid kit. So we've got the compressible fluid in here, and here we've got a pocket of nitrogen now, just to absorb all those little tiny bumps, so make this system even better yet again.
You sound so musical. In the club you scream. God like gaze, you're so beautiful, but you're not for me. I can't sleep lately. I'm just trying to find peace. Classic melodies. I just wanna be free. I'm sorry, darling, I can't breathe. There's no room for us. There's no room for us. I said.
G'day, Kale here from EC Offroad. Behind me we have the first Ram 3500 with LiquidSprings in Australia and one of the first in the world. Now, you've been asking for ages when it's coming and when we're going to have the first one done. Well, it's done. You can come and have a look for yourself. The thing drives insane. It basically reminds me of driving a car, not a Ram truck. It's a little bit smaller than the Fords, these Rams, so it really does feel like you're driving a car. The LiquidSpring is changing 1,000 times a second to how you're driving, so really it's going to drive the same whether you're fully loaded or unloaded. That's right, at full GVM, just under 6 tonne, all the way down to completely empty, towing or not towing, the car will drive the exact same. This is the new LiquidSpring hybrid kit, so it's a V2 kit, even better than before. It's improved on how good it was before. Now they've changed it up just a little bit. There's a pocket of nitrogen in behind the silicone oil, so the oil is compressing, the nitrogen is compressing. Just taking up those tiny little bumps, even better before. So this is amazing. Also, all the kits from now on have the true earth leveling, a little digital screen. This one right here is in true earth mode. We parked up before, it was on about 4 degrees, so decent little incline. Hit the true earth, it is back to 0, 0. So the Ram kits come at a 3-inch ride height with 4 inches of travel up and 3 inches of travel down. So around that 7 to 8 inches of travel front and rear. So perfect for wheeling, perfect for towing, perfect for anything. It's an absolute must for any Ram 3500. Now let's jump in the truck and have a quick look at the new LiquidSpring screen. Okay, so we haven't mounted this screen quite yet because we want to show you guys a bit more in depth about what these new screens will tell you. Now, to start off with, they do also have Bluetooth built in, so there's a LiquidSpring app on your phone that shows exactly this. So if you're sitting at camp or at your canopy or something, you can control the truck. Now, straight up on the home screen here, 3 different rides. So we've got comfort, normal and sport. This is basically just changing the rate valves and how quick they're closing. So if you were super heavy going up a range or something, you might want to go into sport. Everyday driving, we keep it in comfort mode. Now the heights, we've got all the way up. This is going to sit about sort of 6-inch, 7-inch lift. Normal is your ride height of 3-inch lift on the Rams, and all the way down it's going to go back to factory height. What's super handy I love on my truck is you can just go down one and it's going to drop the rear only. So if you're backing up to your caravan, boat, trailer, rear down, back up, and you don't even need to get out or do your jockey wheel most of the time. We move over screens, we've got the true earth leveling. Tells you where all the struts are, the percentages they're at. Right now we're on about 3 degrees, it's still leveling out. We can press auto and the truck's going to true earth level out to 0 as long as the struts are within range. There is a manual mode as well if you want to drop the front or the back. Now if we move over, you can raise all corner, lower all corners, there's a few different other bits and pieces. What's really cool in here is the diagnostics screen. It's going to tell you everything the system's doing. It says all systems good, all our voltages, heights, rate valves, voltages, temps, everything. It's going to show if there's any alerts, or if there's any alerts that has been on the system, there's nothing there. Our maintenance section. So it is super awesome. True earth, it's getting there. Look at that, 0 and 0.6 just while I've been talking here. That's how quick it is. So guys, the new LiquidSpring hybrid kit with the True Earth really ticks all the boxes. There is no suspension like it in the world. So there we have it, the new LiquidSpring kit for Ram 3500. So guys, the LiquidSpring, we get asked all the time, it is only available for Ram 3500 and up, not 25. And all your Fords F250 and up, 350, 450, like we do all the time, guys. So the new hybrid kit is absolutely insane. We are so happy with how this has turned out. So we've got a heap more Rams booked in, guys. If you want a quote for your Ram and LiquidSpring kit, give us a shout today. Come and have a look at this one or the next one we're doing, and you'll see how well they drive. If you're on the road full-time with the canopy, towing the van, LiquidSpring is a must. The best safety, the best handling, and the best comfort out of any suspension you can possibly get in the whole world. So give us a shout today, give us a call, jump on our socials. We'll talk to you soon.